All right, so welcome back to my new video on values in Go, or somebody will say Go types. Okay, types like string, integers, floats, booleans, and so much. There are so many data types, but the basic ones, we're going to work with the basic ones today. So let me jump right into my IDE, and then let me create a new directory called values. And inside that values folder, I'm going to create a Go file, and then I'm going to call it main. Okay, so I'm going to do my import and call it FMT as usual. And within the main function where every code runs, I'm going to declare or print my values. So the first thing that I'm going to do is say fmt dot println. And with this println, I'm going to concatenate two strings together. Okay, so the first string is going to be go, and then we concatenate by using the plus sign or symbol. And then my second string is going to be lang. Okay, so if I click on this green button and say run, as you can see, we've concatenated these two strings. So my next line is to do fmt println, and then I'm going to add two numbers or two integers. So I'm going to say 1 plus 2, and then comma, I pass in the second argument, which I'm going to call 1 plus 2. And that is it. So we're trying to add two integers. So if I click on the green button and run it, you see this is the result 3. Okay, I could have also done this, add equal symbol, and then run it. You see the result is 1 plus 2 is 3. So I could have also done it in a different way by declaring integer variable, but I'm going to show you how to declare variables in our subsequent videos. So I'm not going to do that yet. So the next thing I'm going to do is say format println, and then I'm going to divide two float numbers. Okay, so the first one is going to be 7.0 divided by 3.0, and I pass in the second argument, which is going to be 7. Okay, let me just make it 9.0 divided by 4.0, 9.0 / or divided by 4.0. Okay, so let me put the equal sign. So if I run this, you see the result is 2.25. Okay, so let's move on to the next. We're going to say fmt.println. So these are going to be booleans. So we're going to check true and false, true or false, and then not true or not false. So these are boolean logics. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type true, and false. And then the next one, I'm going to do true or false. And then the last one, I'm going to do not, which is the exclamation symbol, not true. And not false, and see what we get as the output. So I'm going to run this and see what we get. So I'm just printing this line to separate these three lines from the top three. Okay, so I'm going to run this code from the terminal, which I'm going to do go run main.go. Okay, sorry, I'm in a different folder. So, so let me cd back and go inside values. Okay, so we say go run dot main. All right, so as you can see, the result is false, true, and false returns false. So because you need both to be true to make it true. So true or false is going to be true because you just need one of this to be true to make it the entire statement to be true. And then I'm saying not true. So this is going to return false. And this is also going to return true. So false and true will give us false, just like the first one here, true and false. Okay, so that is all for this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial, and then we're going to do more Go programming. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, share the video with your friends. Happy learning.